Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord installation failure. So let's get started. So here we are in our desktop, and here is our Discord setup that is not working well. It is failing on installation. So what we can do so that we can run this successfully is go into our browser, and we can go into 7zip.org. It is 7-zip.org, and once you are here, then you can go and choose the type of Windows that you have. If you have a 32-bit, then you can download using this button right here, or if you have a 64-bit like mine, then you can download using this button right here. So in my case, I have a 64-bit, so I am gonna click on this download link right here for 62-bit, and I'm gonna download it. And once it has been completed, then I can go and open it right here and click on yes when you are prompted between the choices of yes or no. So from here, we want to install, click on install, and as you can see, it has now been installed. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our desktop, and here we are in our Discord setup right here. We want to right click this, and we want to hover over into 7zip, and then go and click on extract to Discord setup tree /. So from there, you want to go into the folder right here. You want to right click, and then you want to cut right there, and you want to go into your file manager, and you want to go into this PC right here and go into your local disk C. And from here, you want to paste right there. You want to paste the folder right here, and as you can see, it is right here. You want to open it now, and from here, you want to right click on this discord.nupkg file. So right click on it and go hover over into the 7zip, and now you want to click on extract to Discord something. Then you should just choose this one, and after that, you just gotta wait, and you open this folder that has been extracted, and now go into lib right here, and from here go into NAT45, and now you have the Discord app right here. So you want to right click this, and you want to go into send to, and then desktop right here. So it would appear right here. So now you can close this one, and now you can open your Discord app right here. And as you can see, it has now been working. So it is installing update after we have done that process, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.